What are the best ways to start affiliate marketing for beginners? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video, I will show you exactly my best ways to start affiliate marketing, guys. So, guys, if you are a beginner and know nothing about affiliate marketing and you are looking for best ways to start affiliate marketing, then I would say watch that video till the end. And I promise you that if you watch that video till the end, you will be able to know the right way, or you can say the best way to start affiliate marketing, guys. Right? But guys, before telling you this, I just want to say that, guys, if you are beginner and you know nothing about affiliate marketing, then guys, what you can do, you can go and read my book, that is ebook, right, where I have explained everything about affiliate marketing in a right way, or you can say step by step. I have revealed on how to do affiliate marketing in a right way, guys. So yes, down below I have put the link, so you can go and check out my ebook, guys. Right, guys? So guys, now without any delay, let I show you best ways to do affiliate marketing, or you can say to start affiliate marketing for beginners, guys. But guys, one more thing that I want to say. First, let I show you one of the amateur way to do affiliate marketing that most affiliate marketers, especially those who are new, they do, right. They do this kind of affiliate marketing that I'm gonna show you right now. So here, as you can see, guys, right, I call it amateur way to do affiliate marketing. What they do, they just you can say grab their you can say affiliate link, or you can say they grab their affiliate product and they start promoting that affiliate program or that affiliate product, right, without collecting any emails, guys. You can say they start sending their traffic directly, as you can see, guys, right. Like, this is the, you can say, sales page of the affiliate offer, right. So what they do, they just send traffic, like whether it's from Facebook post, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, search, right. So whatever traffic that they pick, they start sending that traffic to the sales page of the affiliate offer that they are promoting, guys. Very frankly, guys, this is not the right way. Somewhere I call it amateur way, guys. uh, let's assume that, guys, you are sending traffic to this page, right, directly to the sales page of the affiliate offer in your niche that you are promoting, right. But somehow they, you can say, they don't make any decision to buy that very product, guys, right, that you are promoting, and they will just leave that page, guys. So guys, in that case, you don't have any other information of that very person who has landed on your sales page of the affiliate offer that you are promoting, guys, right. They will go away, guys, and they will never ever come back, right. And you don't have any information so that you can contact with them again, guys, right. So in that case, guys, all of your efforts, all of your hard work, that will go in vain, guys, right. So guys, I would say don't do this type of affiliate marketing, guys. It's purely amateur way, guys, right. No doubt I have done this mistake, right. When I started my affiliate marketing business, I was doing this kind of affiliate marketing where I was directly sending traffic to my affiliate offer, or you can say to my direct affiliate link, guys, right. So guys, here, one of the biggest, you can say, loss that I see, that you put your efforts, right, you put your hard work, or yes, if you are doing paid ads and you are sending traffic directly to your direct affiliate link or direct affiliate offer, guys. So let's assume they don't see that this offer is perfect for them, right. And they don't think that no, this is not the right product that they are looking for. So what they will do, they will straight away, they will go away, guys, right. They will never ever come back, and in that case, you don't have their information so that you can approach to them, or you can say you can contact to them, guys, right. So in that case, if you are doing Google ads or paid ads, your money will be in vain, guys, right. So guys, don't do that, guys, don't do that. This is not the right way to do affiliate marketing, right. Let I tell you my second best way to do affiliate marketing. And what is that? In that case, guys, what you do, guys, you send traffic to a landing page, guys, or you can say opt-in page, right? And on that landing page, you collect the email address, or you can say name, or both, it's up to you, right? So when visitors submit their name and email address, then you send that very person directly to your sales page, or you can say affiliate offer that you are promoting in your niche, guys, right? So that way you are collecting the information, or you can say you are collecting the email address of that very person who has landed on the landing page, or you can say opt-in page, guys, right? So that way, guys, we call it you are building your email list. And yes, guys, I would say if you are really serious about starting your affiliate marketing business or doing your affiliate marketing business, your first priority should be that collect the email address, or you can say build the email address, build your email list. And building your email list is like building your digital asset, guys. This is very important, guys, right? So in that case, you just like send traffic, whether it's from Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Instagram. You send traffic to a page, right? We call it landing page or opt-in page. So when someone submit their name and email address, you send that traffic to, or you can say that very person, or you can say after submitting their name and email address, that very person becomes your lead or subscriber, right? So you send that subscriber or lead to a affiliate offer, or you can say, or the sales page of the affiliate offer that you are promoting, guys, right? So what happens here, you collect the email address, right? And then you follow up that very person through the emails, guys, right? And in that emails, like let's assume that that very person doesn't buy your affiliate offer. So yes, in your email, right, through your follow-up email, you can again promote that affiliate offer to your subscriber, guys, right? So guys, here let's assume that after 5 emails, you send 5 emails to that very subscriber promoting your that one particular offer, and he doesn't think that okay, yes, it's a good product to buy. Then what you can do, guys, you can promote any other product in the future, guys, right? He may like that very product, he may buy that very product, right, that another product. So guys, that's why it is very important to build your email list, guys, right? So yes, this is my I call it semi-professional way to do affiliate marketing, right? So yep, let I show you what happens, guys. Like as you can say in first case where I was telling you that like most people they do, like they directly send to the affiliate of traffic to the you can say directly to the affiliate offer. So what they do, they just go and apply to affiliate program, and they grab their like let I show you guys what they do. Let's assume that this is my affiliate offer, guys. This is my legendary marketer program that I'm promoting, guys, right? So they pick their affiliate link, right, this affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link, and they start sending traffic to that link, guys. This is ugly looking and long looking affiliate link, guys, right? So guys, they start sending traffic to that sales page, right? That I show you. Actually, it's a landing page, guys, that I was talking about, right? It's a landing page, right? So here they are collecting emails, right? The product that I am promoting, right? The owner of the product, what they are doing, first they are collecting emails, then they are sending to the sales page. So yes, you can see that, guys, right? So you can say this is the sales page, guys, right? So they directly send traffic to that very page, guys, right? And guys, let's assume that very person is not buying, right? Doesn't decide to buy. Then yes, he will check, and if he thinks that no, this is not the right product, what he will do, he will go and that's it, close the window, right? So in that case, you don't have any information, guys, right? So what's the next way that I told you? Next way is create a landing page, guys, right? So let I show you. I have created landing page so that you can see. Yeah, so guys, here I have created a landing page, or you can say opt-in page, simple opt-in page, or you can say landing page to promote my affiliate offer, right, by using ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software. It's a simple drag and drop software that you can use to create your own landing page or squeeze page, so you can collect emails, so you can promote your affiliate offer. So you can say I have you can say build that page. So let I show you. Actually, this is my link, right? So let I show. By the way, if you want to try out this software, it comes with 14 days free trial. So yes, down below I will put the link so that you can go and check out, right? So you can see that, guys. So I have created this landing page, guys, right? And yes, guys, one more thing, right? It's a tip from my side. Whenever you create any landing page, create a landing page something similar to the offer that you are promoting, guys. It must resonate, right? So guys, now here you can see that. So what will happen, guys, right? If someone click on that, this one was the video. So if someone put his name and email address, then what will happen, guys? That very person will go to the next page, or you can say affiliate offer that I'm promoting, guys, right? So this is somewhere semi professional way to start your affiliate marketing business or to promote your affiliate offer, guys, right? So you build landing page, right, and you send traffic to that landing page. I'm talking about this one, right? Yeah, this landing page you send traffic, whether it's from Facebook, YouTube, or Pinterest, Twitter, Google, blog, podcast. So it's up to you, guys, right? So guys, on that landing page you send the traffic, right, guys? So here, like as I told you that just a minute, right? So this is the semi-professional way to do affiliate marketing, right? This is the second best way, guys, right? So let I show you my personal best way to start affiliate marketing business, guys. And this is or I say it, professional way to do affiliate marketing, right? So here what you do, guys, you send traffic to a landing page, right, where you are offering lead magnet. Lead magnet is something that you offer for free in exchange of name and email address. And lead magnet can be like free training, free ebook, free cheat sheet, free mind map, free masterclass, right? As in my case, right, in the starting of that video I have told you that just go and grab my ebook. So yes, if you go and check out that ebook, you will see exactly what I'm talking about, right? So here in that case, ebook is my own lead magnet, guys. I will show you, don't worry, I will show you what I'm talking about. So here on that landing page you offer lead magnet, right? And in that lead magnet you solve one of the problem of your ideal prospect, guys, right? So yep, so things will be the same, right? You will be collecting the email address, right? And that way you will be building your email list. But the thing is that here you are offering a lead magnet so that you can build a relationship, right? So that you can let people know you, like you, and trust you. Guys, understand this. Nobody going to buy from you unless they know you, like you, and trust you. We don't buy from someone who is new to us. We buy from someone who we know, like, and trust. So your lead magnet will create a personal brand, and your lead magnet will let people know you, like you, and trust you. When they find your lead magnet, any free training that you are offering, that okay, yes, this training is very good, and through that training you have solved their one of the problems. So what will happen, guys? You know that they will start knowing you, they will start liking you, and they will start having trust on you. And guys, when trust is built, everything is easy, guys, right? When trust is built, people will come and they will buy from you, guys, right? So that's why it is very, very important to come up with your own lead magnet, right? So yes, you offer that lead magnet on that landing page, or you call opt-in page, right? and we also call it squeeze page, right? So you send traffic, whether it's from Google, whether it's from like blogging or paid ads. You send traffic to this page, whether it's from Facebook or YouTube, Instagram, AdWords, right? So it's up to you guys, right? You send traffic to that landing page or squeeze page, and when that very person opts for your lead magnet, you send that lead or subscriber to a bridge page, guys. Bridge page is something, right, that we call that page bridge the gap between the subscriber and the offer that you are promoting, guys, right? Here on that bridge page, through your own video, you say, hey, thank you so much for subscribing for your free lead magnet. Within 5 minutes or less, you will be getting your free lead magnet inside your inbox. But before you leave this page, I have something for you guys, right? So here, through your video, guys, you are building a relationship. You are letting that very person, that subscriber or lead, that you are a real guy behind that landing page, guys, right? And in that video, you talk about the affiliate offer that you are promoting, like what are the benefits of this product and what are the features of that very product and what they are going to get if they buy that very product, right? And yes, if you have personally used that very product, so you can also tell your story that before using that very product, where you were, right? What were the things that you were struggling with, right? But after using that very product, what specific results you got, right? So that you can talk about in that video that you have on your bridge page, guys, right? So this is very, very important, guys, in our funnel, right? Where we promote our affiliate offer, guys. This is very, very important page, guys, right? So yes, this is the bridge page, right, where we just like put our own video. And yes, on that bridge page we also come up with bonuses, guys. You know that whenever we get something extra, we are happy, guys, right? So yep, you say something like, hey, if you buy that very product, then I will give you my bonuses, like my personal coaching, my personal support, or you can say any software or any other training, right? So you give extra reason to buy from you. You give extra reason, you can say, or you can say to stand out from the competition, guys, right? You know that there are so many people, they are promoting same very product. So how you come out from that competition? When you give bonuses, guys. Don't worry, I will show you the live example how we do that, right? So guys, this is my bridge page, right? And from that bridge page, I send that very person or lead or subscriber to my sales page, guys, right here. And if he decide to buy, I make commission. If he doesn't, okay, I have his email address, right? And that email address goes to autoresponder, right? I use a ConvertKit. By the way, there are, you can say, GetResponse and Aweber. Don't worry, I will put the link so that you can go and check out, right? So autoresponder, through autoresponder, I can send follow-up emails, right? Automated follow-up emails to that very person, guys, right? By promoting my same exact offer, right? If at first instance, if he or she doesn't buy, so yes, through my emails I can promote, guys, right? I can promote my same offer. And yes, let's assume that he doesn't buy my same offer, so in future I can promote something else, right? That is related to his you can say his problem, right? By giving the solution through my another offer, I can promote any other offer, guys, right? So that's why it is very, very important to build your own email list, guys. And this is the right way, or you can say professional way, to start affiliate marketing, guys, right? So guys, here as you can see, you follow up, right? And yes, guys, here in your free, you can say first email, you give a link of the free lead magnet that you have promised, guys. So that will be your first email, guys, right? And in that email there will be a link so that they can download your you can say free lead magnet that you have promised on your landing page, guys. One thing, whatever you offer, right, as a lead magnet, give this offer, this lead magnet immediately, guys, right? So that will be you can say good, guys, right? So yes, in first email they will be able to click on the link, right, so that they can download or watch the training whatever that you are offering. So yes, as in my case that I'm offering ebook. So yes, in my first email what I do, I send a link to that ebook so that they can download, right? So yep. So guys, this is my professional way, or you can say best way to do affiliate marketing or to start affiliate marketing. Let I show you live example. So guys, here, so you can see that, guys, I have created this landing page, right? And on that landing page I'm offering my lead magnet, guys. You can see that, guys, this is my ebook that I'm giving away for free, right? And you can see some of the testimonials, some of the students, those who have made their affiliate commission, guys, right? So right, so guys, this is my landing page. By the way, don't worry, if you want this exact funnel, I will give you that funnel, right? Let me know in the comment if you want. So guys, if someone click on that, so what will happen, there will be a pop-up. So on that pop-up I'm just asking for submit their name and email address, and if someone put their name and email address, then what will happen, guys, that very person will go to the next page, that is bridge page, guys. And you can see that, guys, here this is my video, right? And here I'm talking about the offer that I'm promoting, right? And here, yes, you can see, yeah, these are the bonuses that I'm giving away for free, guys. My personal coaching, my personal support, free training, one book, right? And coaching call recording. This is another coaching call recording, ClickFunnels training, done for you funnel, pre-written email swipe files, 14 best affiliate programs, and 2 best traffic methods, right? So yes, guys, can you see that? Here, if someone buys you can say here I'm promoting one funnel away challenge. So yes, if someone buys that offer through my link, I will make commission, and what I will do, I will just give them the bonuses that I am promising to give them, guys, right? And for that, what they need to do, need to just send me the emails, guys, right? Here I have just explained everything that what they need to do, right? They need to send me the receipt on my email address, guys, contact@whatever I know.com, guys, right? So that's the best way to start affiliate marketing business, or you can say to do affiliate marketing, guys, right? So by the way, if you want to join this one funnel away challenge, guys, then I would highly recommend you, guys. This is one of the best training by one of the best coach in the world, that is Russell Brunson, who has more than 15 years of experience, guys, right? So yes, I would highly recommend you, guys, if you're really serious and want to learn how to start your online business so you can sell your own product or someone else's product as an affiliate marketer, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and join this one funnel away challenge, guys. Down below I will put the link, and yes, if you join this one funnel away challenge through my link, I will give you my bonuses, guys, that I am promising to give, right? So you can go and check out. Down below I will put the link, right? So yes, guys, yep, now you know my best ways to start affiliate marketing for beginners, guys, right? So yes, do let me know, guys, if there is anything that I can help, right? Down below you can ask your question, right? And yes, if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, then guys, subscribe to my channel, and yes, put your, or you can say subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that button that you can say there is a bell notification button, so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye.